It's Friday, January 3rd, 2025. It's 9:03 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. Keeping my eye on NITO. It's the second highest gainer, up 108%. I traded this yesterday and made a nice little green trade on it. And it is trying to move again today. I will trade it again if it allows. High of day is 244 back here on the very first candle right at the opening bell. It also made a new 52-week high on this candle of 244. So it's trying to run a little bit, but not doing much right now. It is the only thing in the top 5 currently above VWAP. So I'll keep my eye on everything and I'll return. I have an order in on NITO and I am in the trade. Profit and loss is down here. I have 80 shares at $2.70. Let's see if this upward move will continue. Sellers coming in at the moment. And I am finally out. I hate it when they struggle. Let's go take a look. All right, $11.19. That's a 3.6% gain on that trade. I was in this just a tad bit over 12 minutes. In at 270, out at 284 with 80 shares. If we take a look back, I got in on this candle and it started pulling back and went sideways. I held through this. Buyers were still coming in pretty regularly, and it was in a good position, being the second highest gainer throughout all this. The top gainer was below VWAP, not doing anything. So there was a lot of eyes on this. I just kind of knew it was going to come back, and the trade worked out pretty well. 12 minutes too long. I don't like them like that, but sometimes that happens. That's just the trading world. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.